guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Zion's Wonderland, and we're going to unboxing this gummy popping heart. And choose sila guys. So sorry lang gid sa dahod, sorry gid kay na kami sa kuha. So let's unbox. Which one I'm going to unbox? This one. And let's unbox it. Wow, it's comforted. What is this? Oh, it's a powder and this. Wait, I will just get the scissors. Oh, I forgot it's not need some scissors because she have like this bala. Gonna open. Let's open it. I'm so scared. What if it's? I just opened it, guys. Okay, let's smell. Oh, first we need to open this, not that one. That smells so yummy about it. Yeah, look at it open. Oh, yes. Master Honey part 2, guys. So, part 2. Part 2, guys.
White tanggol.
Wow, look at it. Let's open this. And wow, it's so sucky. It's a popping cake. Let's see. Oh, it's a popping cake. So, I just pour in. Oh, let it. Yeah, I thought it's gonna. It's gonna. There's a little mini tinidor. Forte. See you part 2. Bye bye.